Hello everyone. This is another video of day on law of vibration. Have you heard of law of attraction? Everybody is familiar with the law of attraction. But actually, law of attraction is only the secondary law, and law of vibration is the primary law. Law of vibration sets you in a frequency to receive the attraction law, which is very important in manifestation. Suppose we wanted to listen to a radio station, we need to tune ourselves into that frequency for receiving it. Similarly, we have to tune our energy to receive the things that we have manifested in life. Even though we are very hardly trying to manifest something, at the back of the mind, what is playing in your subconscious mind? Are you playing something else? Are you really able to feel how it would be to experience when you're granted your wish? If you can't feel it, your vibration frequency is low. This is just a wishful thinking happening and not a manifestation. Suppose a person who is looking for a high profile job always speaks to universe that you're always giving me something low. Please give me a good job. He is vibrating at a very low frequency and asking the universe, which is vibrating at a very high frequency. So that is just a wishful thinking happening there. We have to be like a very small child in manifesting. We have to be grateful for all that we have. We have to speak to universe that, dear universe, I am your child. I deserve it. I deserve what I am going to manifest. Please give it to me. I will be happy. It's like a very small child who's talking to the mother, trusting and surrendering that she'll be helped out. Universe melts to your request and you will be granted whatever you wish for. There are different ways to raise your vibration. The first one is gratitude. Gratitude for all the blessings that you have in your life. Positive affirmations can help you to focus on what you want in your life. Grounding by being with the nature. Engaging yourself in the things you love, whether it is cooking or artistic work, dancing, singing, whatever it is, do in love. You just vibrate in higher mode. Focusing intentionally on where you want to grow. Stop engaging yourself in nonsense. How you talk about yourself, how you talk about others, how you respect others, what kind of posts and messages you put in social media. Choosing where your focus goes, where your energy goes. Talking, appreciating and conversing with people who had already achieved what you wish to achieve. Appreciating them. By all this, you are up-level your frequency. Tune in your energy. Receive your blessings. You are much more powerful than you can ever imagine. It is all about surrendering, trusting the universe that you will be granted what you really wish to have. Universe is always abundant to grant all our wishes. Scarcity is always in our mind. So just believe, have the trust and faith that your wishes will be granted. Raise your vibrations. Express gratitude for all the blessings you have. Universe will always be happy to grant more and more blessings to your life. Thank you everyone. Have a great day.